Bob is an engineer in ITville. Bob is in charge of proactively organizing ITville's pipe repairs, replacement, and renewal to prevent emergency problems. This helps to keep the residents of ITville happy. Bob uses ITpipes SmartTabs to do this. He reviews the pipe inspections that have problems and determines the most cost-effective and efficient method to maintain optimal performance. His SmartTab shows pipes that are identified as lining candidates, pipes that need repairs, and he has this grouped by structural need. For pipes that are lining candidates, the SmartTab automatically tallies the mapped length, so Bob can use total footage for project estimates. This grouping also helps Bob determine what work needs performed by internal crews or outsourced to contractors. Bob can see there are point repairs waiting to be assigned to internal staff and can create work orders for those pipes. Those work orders automatically sync to the field crew. When Bob is ready to outsource relining, he sets up contractors with access to ITpipes web. Bob selects the assets that need work done and emails the contractor hyperlinks. The contractor, either through ITpipes web or via a download, has access to ITpipes Inspection Viewer with inspection observations, severity rankings, snapshots, video, and PDF reports.